Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin taking a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to point you through major talking points and features, and of course I'm going to go around, take a seat inside the car and run you through a little bit more of the in-depth interior features. The vehicle we have here for you is a 220D M Sport Coupe. It's presented in Melbourne red, and of course we've fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. The vehicle itself is a 2017 17 plate. Up front of the car you'll see the Angel Iron Xenon headlamps. We've had the 18-inch alloy wheels, fully refurbished in gloss black, once again to really work very nicely with the Melbourne red exterior colour. Down the side of the car you'll again see just how well and how nicely maintained this vehicle has been. We've also fitted the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals, and of course it's a very nice and very striking looking car. Moving on onto the interior, where you'll find the M Highlight Alcantara half cloth seats, which comes in the front with the heated and electric lumbar options, and as you can see they're all very nicely presented. Again, another option for this 2 Series is the high gloss interior trims, again making for a very nice eye-catching feature. And the rear seat arrangement for the 2 Series, we've got an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with a central storage tray, and you'll see there a very nice darkened M Sport headlining, which again looks very nice in combination with the rest of the interior. Making our way towards the rear, again I'll show you the 18-inch alloy wheels before we head round towards the boot area, where we fitted a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a matching diffuser. And I'll open up the tailgate so you can see just how large the boot space is for the 2 Series Coupe. If you've not yet already seen one, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much space there is, along with the genuine floor mats for this car, which will of course also accompany the vehicle. Making our way around, you'll see again just how nicely presented this Melbourne red 2 Series is. Again, also very eye-catching, of course, the 2 colours working very nicely together. I'm going to head on inside now and we'll run you through a couple of the features and functions of this 2 Series. So as soon as you step on inside, we're greeted by the BMW business navigation and media screen, along with this very nice multi-function M Sport steering wheel. If you've not yet already noticed, we've also got the paddles for that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. I'll start the car up. And as soon as we're already there, we'll go through the vehicle service status and service requirements. Going down into engine oil, you can see there the next service is not due for 17,000 miles or the date stated. And we also have full service history from BMW with this car, again as you can now see on screen. Going over to the Bluetooth side of things, you also get Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs covering you for not only Bluetooth, you've got USB and AUX inputs. Down here you'll find the climate settings along with the switches for the heated seats, and of course your performance mode select to engage different modes including comfort, eco pro and of course your sport modes. On that multifunction steering wheel we've got the speed limiter, voice and volume controls all situated there nicely. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. If you are wanting further information, links for the website and of course direct contact details for ourselves can be found in the description, and we'll look forward to seeing yourselves very soon. Thank you, take care and goodbye.